what we've done on the Galaxy Tab is we've actually designed it from the consumer back in. As I was mentioning earlier, a lot of technology was developed from an enterprise perspective, but I think what technology companies are looking at now is developing from a consumer and allowing enterprise companies to secure the technology. So when you look at it from a portability standpoint, you had notebooks, which were portable devices, portable computing devices, but they're not necessarily mobile, on all the time, connected. What the Tab does, the Galaxy Tab, is it gives you that ability to have on all the time capability and be in a mobile environment, i.e. that I'm walking around. So I have the ability to utilize the device while I'm walking down the street or while I'm waiting in the lobby of a customer call that I'm about to do. So it's an always-on capability with the device because it's a 3G. It's 3G and Wi-Fi, but 3G. And when you think about the networks that we have in the Canadian marketplace today, the advantage of taking the opportunity to take advantage of those 3G network make it just that much better. So it's a 7-inch Galaxy Tab, 7-inch from corner to corner. The screen technology on this is something called Super TFT, which provides you a little bit better viewing angle than you would have in a traditional TFT screen, as well as some enhancements from a battery consumption standpoint. It's based on Froyo, Android 2.2, which gives you some additional capabilities when you start to look at the enterprise. So Froyo, Android 2.2 has built in some capabilities that have these things more suitable for an enterprise marketplace or customer set, and driving it from that perspective.
So basically, video experience, reading experience, experience with the email and browsing experience are actually basically the areas that we are trying to cover with this device.
Okay, and around it. So this is 7 inches. How much does it weigh?
About 370 grams, so below 400 grams, which is, as we mentioned, it's very suitable for the one-hand use, yep. And it's very suitable to carry around, even in the pocket. Purse.
Really? A pocket?
Absolutely.
Your front pocket?
I wouldn't go that far, but
it can fit in your suit pocket. It kind of looks awkward, but it fits in your suit pocket.
There?
Oh, yeah, absolutely, it fits in there. So as Paul mentioned, its connectivity and portability is the most major features of this device. Another thing that actually what we are doing is actually not just the support of the Froyo 2.2, and actually Samsung actually providing the new version of the TouchWiz, which is actually adjusted for the tablet.
3.0?
It's based on 3.0, so basically we're using some elements of the TouchWiz that has been used in our Galaxy S.
Great.
But obviously, given that there's a different form factor and actually different functionalities, we are making sure that this is adopted for the tablet use. So some of the examples actually is a split, given that we have a big 7-inch display. There's a lot of the real estate, I would call, actually, on the screen, and basically we're making sure, for example, that the contacts, you can see the separate view on the contacts. So on the left-hand side, you can see the contacts. On the right-hand side, you can see the details about the content. And with the social hub implementation in this device, as we had in the previous devices, we are basically making sure that a user can see the updates from the social networking sites and everything else. Obviously, integrated calendar, integrated emails are some of the key functionalities that we have in the device. So as Paul mentioned now about Reader Hub, we talked about this, and from the ebook experience. So basically with this device, we're going to go extra step, and we're going to be providing the magazine downloads, and also we're going to be providing newspapers download with the global content. So we're talking about 2,000 providers for the newspapers and about 1,600 providers for the magazines. So it's going to be significant global content that the user is going to be available to access through this device and our, as Paul mentioned, the reading hubs.
And who's that powered by?
This we have working at this moment. We cannot. Kobo is for the ebook, but the other two content providers we cannot release at this moment. We'll be able to do that.
Which used to be a Canadian-based company?
Yes. So from the ebook experience, obviously it's a Canadian-based company with a lot of the global content. And as I mentioned, like for the other two magazine and newspapers, we're actually going to be providing not just the local content, but definitely having the local content, but also having the ability to subscribe for the global content.